icicle. That's crazy. There's our propane tank. The sun, babe. The sun is up over there. Look at the tree. Winter wonderland. Just don't know where any of our stuff is. Crud, look at your fishing poles.
Oh,
There's one that fell over on the ground. Oh, look at the hose. Well, we're not going to be pumping. That's for certain.
We don't need to pack snow around the sides.
Yep. They told us to pack snow around the edges to keep it insulated underneath there. But I think we're good. That's nice.
We're going to need a new hose and new extension cords.
I'd say. I would say. Quite right.
Look at this. How do you explain that?
You got a fridge vent. Full of fishing poles.
Look at that vent thing.
Oh, yeah. There's moonshine. Hey, baby. He likes it. This is our fire pit. You ever seen a tiki torch look like that? Unbelievable. This is unrecognizable. If I didn't know what everything is or where it was, I would not know where it is.
That chair by the fire.
Anyone want to have a seat? That's our fire pit right there. You clearly can't see it, but there it is. There's our chair. Oh my gosh. I don't know how we're going to leave. We're supposed to be leaving in 2 days for Florida, but I don't know. I think my car is frozen. It is a Suburban, in case you didn't know.
Moonshine. Stay.
Not the only thing visible now is the Chevy symbol. Chevy for life. Doesn't Matt look handsome as a snow bunny?
Snow bunny.
Is that only for girls?
Yeah.
What's a dude? A snowjack?
A Yeti. Moonshine, come. Come on.
Come on, Shiner. Come on, boy. Come on. You wanna play? Psst. Come on. You wanna play? You wanna play? Good boy. Give me smiles. Moonshine, give me smiles. Moonshine, give me a smile. Squirrel. Where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Squirrel! Just kidding.